Lauren Jackson. Ooh, I am for real.
This is the LMF2. When you're looking for a fixed blade knife, LMF2 is where it's at. Drop point blade, serrated edge, really thick, ergonomic to your hand, spike pommel. The LMF2 was originally designed to get aircrew out of a downed aircraft by cutting their way out or breaking their way out. Non-conductive handle, if you've got to cut wires, it's not going to electrocute you. Designed with 3 holes so that you can create a lashing and actually create a spear with it. Tell you what, this was coming at you, you're in trouble. It wouldn't be right to have a heavy-duty knife without a heavy-duty sheath. This sheath right here has MOLLE attachments for your vest, belt loop to put on your belt. Knife comes in and out both ways. Even comes with a sharpener. So if you're in the field, your knife gets dull, get it sharp, get right back on task. Made in America, right here in Portland, Oregon. This is the LMF2.
The LightStraw Go integrates the award-winning LightStraw water filter into a durable, BPA-free water bottle. This allows you to collect water as you hike, filtering it while drinking. The LightStraw Go's filter removes 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.99% of protozoa. This filter is removable from the cap, so you can take it out, let it dry, or replace it as you need to. It contains no chemicals, and it uses no batteries or moving parts. And it filters 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons. The LightStraw Go works extremely well with muddy, silty water and features a very high flow rate. It's like drinking through a thick straw. While the LightStraw Go removes bacteria and protozoa, including Giardia, Cryptosporidium, and E. coli, it doesn't remove viruses, heavy metals, or chemicals. These aren't really common backcountry contaminants, so it's good for most water you use. To clean your LightStraw Go, you simply blow the excess water out of the filter, suck some clean water in again, blow it out, and then remove the filter from the cap to let it dry.
And this is my fire starter tool, and it's small, it's compact, and it will give you years of use. And starting fires in the wild can be hard if you haven't got the right kit. And all this is, snap locks open, watertight, and then it's got a striker, and then the fire steel. And then that closes together, and then in the cap, snap lock, and inside it's watertight, and it just contains cotton balls that is really good tinder for starting fire. And then on the lanyard again is a whistle. Super useful tool, trust me.
Hi, I'm Byron, and today we'll be talking about the Takt Bivy. The Takt Bivy is a 6-ounce emergency sleeping bag. It's so small that it fits in the palm of your hand, yet it opens up to 7 feet in length. The seam-sealed edges are ultra durable, and the heat sheet material can be stretched and it resists punctures. The Takt Bivy uses Mylar material which reflects 90% of your body heat so that you can quickly warm up and help avoid hypothermia. With this bag, you can survive in extreme cold winds, rain, or snow. And the Takt Bivy can be reused after each use, since it easily folds back up and fits inside the sturdy carrying bag. Everyone should have a Takt Bivy in their car, or when hiking in a backcountry, or for any reason you need to quickly warm up in a cold environment. The Takt Bivy can save your life.
Back in the day, our military had to rely on lanterns like these. But today, lighting technology has come a long way. Nick Bolton here with the new Takt Lantern from Bell & Howell. The Takt Lantern collapses down smaller than a smartphone and weighs less than a pound. But don't let its small size fool you. It's twice as bright as an ordinary lantern. The secret is the genuine Bell & Howell Cobb LEDs that are smaller, brighter, and more energy efficient than regular LEDs. They make our Takt Lantern so bright, it can fill an entire room with light and visible up to 2 nautical miles away. Plus, this lantern is built like a tank. It's heat resistant, works submerged in water, and can survive even the coldest conditions. Slide the housing to adjust the brightness for a little light or a lot. Add the fold-out hanging handles, and there's never been a better lantern for the great outdoors. When it's go time, I keep mine in full armor mode. Here's why. Takes a beating and keeps on working. So let's review. The TAC Lantern is small and compact. Features state-of-the-art Cobb LEDs that can fill an entire room with light and is built to withstand even the worst conditions. There's just nothing like it on the market today. TAC Lantern from Bell & Howell.
Mountain House Adventure Meals moment number 23, the Wolf Party.
That's a pack of wolves. They sound hungry.
Don't worry, I got this.
Is that smooth jazz?
Yeah, wolves hate smooth jazz.
It's not working. Smooth jazz is bringing the wolves closer.
You don't bring smooth jazz to a wolf party, so why bring anything but Mountain House meals on an adventure? Just add hot water to a lightweight, easy-to-pack Mountain House pouch, and you've got a delicious, hearty meal that will stop pack of wolves-sized hunger.
Rush Series family of backpacks. We have the 12, 24, and the 72. Or another way to think about this is a 3-day, a day, and a half-day backpack. A lot of you guys are probably asking how big of a backpack do I need? And that's what I'm going to try to answer for you. You're going to get an accessory pouch up front. You're going to get a variety of places to store stuff and a variety of zip pockets across all 3 of these backpacks. Each backpack is going to offer you an ability to have another storage pouch. It's a small individual pocket that has a mesh pocket and just an open space for accessories. The biggest thing that's going to change across this line of backpacks is size. The 72 is going to offer you the most amount of space per pouch per zippered pocket. It's going to come down a little bit on the 24, down a little bit more on the 12. The 24 opens up. You're going to have the mesh pocket so you can see what's in there. The laptop storage area. It's got a good little retention system, and this is your sunglass pouch, accessible just above the yoke, padded to protect your lenses of your goggles. And all 3 also, while we're right here at the carrying handle, give you the ability to route the hydration hose. The front end of the pouch got 3 pockets. 2 of them are mesh. One of them is an enclosed nylon pouch. Let's talk about the back. First and foremost, you have the yoke. It's got awesome padding. It's spread wider to help you push that load across your shoulder. All 3 of the backpacks have a chest attachment point and are adjustable for a variety of heights and sizes. Underneath the yoke, you have a padding and air channelization system designed to not only keep the backpack in place with some friction panels to help with the ventilation. One additional thing that you're going to have here on the 24 is an introduction of a side pouch where you can store an Nalgene bottle. Tactical World, you could put an M4 magazine in there. And then when we move from the 24 to the 72, the main design difference you're going to notice is the shove it pouch, which is on the outside. I like to stuff down jackets in here. When I'm getting ready to go to the gym, I'll throw everything I'm going to wear at the gym, my tennis shoes up on top, and you're ready to go. One difference I am going to highlight as you go up in size to the 72, because the load is probably getting a little bit heavier, being able to put some of that weight onto your hips in addition to the shoulder, which is going to help you carry a heavier load for longer. That's why this bag comes with the lateral straps. If you choose not to use that, as some people do, it's fine. Again, the biggest thing you're going to get, guys, the accessory compartments are going to be a little bit larger. The storage options are going to be the same largely across all 3 of the backpacks. What you really get is size. And this is the Rush Series from the 12, the 24, and the 72.
Hey guys, we're here to talk about one of Protect Life first aid kits. This 200-piece version is perfect for home, camping, workplace, survival, or wherever you want to go, and keeping it in your car or in your backpack. It is highly recommended, so certainly something to look out for. Before we go over the content inside, we're going to talk about the actual bag itself. It's nice and soft. It has a durable material on the outside with the stitching all securely sewn. I can see this first aid kit lasting for years. Of course, refilling as necessary. The bag is very compact. It is about 9 inches by 6.5 inches and about 3.5 inches thick. The inside pockets are clear and neatly organized with pockets and places for everything to be stored. While they are full as is, they could fit a few more of your own supplies if you want to personalize your kit. Okay, now as you can see, the bag is comprehensive and has everything from a light stick to emergency blanket and compass. You get lots of adhesive bandages of different sizes and shapes, and you also have some cotton tip applicators. It's clear that great thought went into this kit. Many items have instructions or illustrations on them. That's a good thing when you need them, and they generally last for 3 to 5 years. Nice! You will also appreciate the first aid brochure, which is always handy when you're faced with emergency situations. Just to name a few more items, you get an abdominal pad, triangular bandages, a disposable raincoat, some sterile gauze pads, eye pads, an instant cold compress, 1 roll of PBT conforming bandage, first aid tape, scissors, tweezers, whistle, and even a face mask for CPR. Back to the bag itself, it is the perfect size to fit in a bag or glove compartment, so practically you can keep it anywhere. It's shocking how much stuff fits in such a compact bag. It has everything I could think of for the first aid kit and many other things I hadn't thought of. In fact, it was designed by a team with emergency safety service background, also are FDA approved. They truly thought of everything for you. So this kit is a great size for everyday emergencies. Overall, a great value and perfect for traveling, for your car, or around the house. The Protect Life First Aid Kit is available on Amazon.